Hello, lovely souls. Are you ready to embark on a mini journey with me today? Yeah, we're hitting the beach after a late October storm. No plans, just the sea and the untouched beauty of the shore. Let's dive into this tranquil adventure together. There's something magical about stealing one last moment at the beach before winter sets in. Today I had errands to take care of, and I was thinking I might grab a salad or some fruit and head to the bay if I had time before the next appointment because, work never stops, right? As I headed over in that general area, I decided to try another park and was pleasantly surprised that no one at all was there. I had the whole place to myself. The weather is warmed up, it's probably around 70 degrees, and it's sunshiny, making it a perfect day to visit. And wow, it really was a beautiful day. I'm so thankful I decided to go. This beach reminds me specifically of a lot of childhood summers spent on the Gulf Coast with my family. It was a simpler time, filled with the pleasures of summer vacation, swimming, eating out, and just enjoying the freedom of an extended break. Life was much slower then, with no pressures or responsibilities. But summer storms came in during that time too. They churned up the deep waters, and when everything settled, there was always a freshness that washed over the area, cleaning out the old stagnant energy and replacing it with fresh new possibilities. The air still carries a hint of last night's rain today. It's refreshing and crisp, but the sun feels more like late summer. The storm has passed, leaving behind a warm, easy vibe now. And nature is resilient, just like us. Even storms are temporary, and I take that as a reminder to weather life's challenges. The breeze, the waves, and being in nature, it's what our souls crave, especially in times of chaos and stress. It's the simple, soothing rhythm of the beach that leaves us feeling calm, relaxed, and inspired. I'm leaving Texas soon and have probably left by the time this video goes up. So even with all of life's challenges, I'm feeling grateful for these quiet breaks in nature. It was a very nice visit, but I'm ready to head to the next chapter. Stressed? Absolutely. Excited? Without a doubt. So I think I really needed this break to see the bigger picture and just to relax and restore my energy here at the beach. Being here on this beautiful day really did inspire me, and I feel much more optimistic and determined. If you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or unsure on what to do next, spend time in nature. It's so restorative, and it has a unique way of humbling us, reminding us that we're part of something bigger, and not to take our problems so seriously. So, do you have a special place that recharges your energy? Where do you like to go when you're stressed or feeling overwhelmed? Share it in the comment section below. And thanks for hanging out with me today on this spontaneous journey. Travel isn't always about grand landmarks or visiting tourist sites. Sometimes it's about the hidden treasures and small wonders that leave a lasting impact on us. If you enjoyed this video, let me know, and why not consider subscribing. Stay tuned for the next video.